It's one of the hardest surfaces around your home, but it could still use a little help. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share an easy-to-do project to spruce up your concrete right after this. Ready to make your slippery surfaces safer indoors and out? Deitch Coatings now brings you Track Safe Anti-Slip Sealer, and I think it's a winner. Track Safe is a tough pre-mixed clear coat you can roll onto slippery concrete, stone, tile, linoleum, and painted surfaces. It brings added beauty and foot traction to steps, wet pool decks and walkways, garage and interior floors, and more. Get a grip with slip-resistant Track Safe. Order today online through the Home Depot or at DeitchCoatings.com. Almost every home has at least one. Sure, it may be durable, but it can also be an eyesore. What is it? Those dull, boring concrete slabs. Perhaps for you it's the front porch or maybe a backyard patio. Add a little life to that concrete by using a translucent concrete stain. First, clean the slab thoroughly. You can use a scrub brush and a mild cleaner, or go big and clean it with a pressure washer. Once the slab is clean, choose the color you like and apply the translucent stain with either a roller or you can even use a pump-up garden sprayer. Translucent stains penetrate the surface, adding vibrant colors, but still allow the characteristics of the concrete to show through. Once dry, leave it as is or add an extra protective layer of masonry sealer. The result is a patio with pizzazz. I'm Danny Lipford with Tip for Today's Homeowner.